We got an email, just got an email from Lufthansa. Our flight from Manchester to Frankfurt has been cancelled. Unfortunately, Frankfurt is where we're catching the connection flight to Iraq. So now we're frantically looking for flights to get us to Germany, probably Dusseldorf, and then get an overnight train from Dusseldorf to Frankfurt so we can still meet the connecting flight. We're on our way to Iraq. A day early. We've managed to find a flight, or Kyle's managed to find a flight to Dusseldorf. We're going to go to Dusseldorf, jump on a train, then get to Frankfurt, and then we should be on our way to Iraq. We've arrived at Manchester Airport. Just going to Terminal 2. First part of our trip's done. Just landed in Dusseldorf. Now to find a fast train to take us across to, where are we going? Frankfurt. That's where we're going, Frankfurt. Now in a fast taxi whizzing us across Dusseldorf. We're now on the next leg of our journey, which is on a fast train from Dusseldorf to Frankfurt. Hopefully catch our connection plane at Frankfurt. After a mad dash across Germany, we've managed to get to Frankfurt Airport. Because of the industrial action, the strike, what's happened today, we've now got to try and check in. There's no flights going out of Frankfurt today, but we're going to check in, see if we can check in, get our boarding passes, then we know we're good for tomorrow. Happy days, we have our boarding passes. Iraq, here we come. We've managed to catch our flight from Frankfurt to Erbil. Gone through security, checked in, and now boarding the aircraft. Happy days. We're on board. Ready for Iraq. Nervously, we're now en route to Mosul.
Inside the checkpoint's done.
Okay. So this is the border between Kurdistan and Iraq. Yeah, unfortunately we've been turned around by the militia. Kyle's just been taken out of the car because he hasn't got his passport. They've taken my passport. But I've got a Kurdish visa stamped in it, so things should be okay. I think they just want to question Kyle. Well, they think we're spies because we've come into Iraq from a different country, from Kurdistan. After a bit of a wait, everything is good, and now we're going back to Erbil.